Okay, so melody writing and composition. So everybody can. This one is kind of like a summarization of everything about from Unit 1 to Unit 6. Because as you can see, let's just go back to the top in here. Okay, the first session was pitch and notation. The second one, keys and scales. Third one is somebody's okay. The third one is rhythm. So the first 1, 2, 3 classes basically are the very rudimentary level and very basic ideas of the music theory. And started from the fourth session is regarding the combinations of notes or combinations of rhythm. So different type of them combining together. Okay, so that's the fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, with the idea of everything together. So the sixth session give us a very easy and very simple idea of how chords are connected with the pitch and the rhythm. So harmony is a whole another level thing. It combining the chords and rhythm together. So basically it depends on the chords and the name of the chords, and then how could those chords combine together and then create a melody and create a song. Okay, so today we're gonna go through the melody parts, which is gonna be very easy. You can see that the melody is something regarding singing a song that with a line it. Like if you are drawing a picture, there will be a lot of lines connected with each other. So the melody writing is kind of like give you this idea how can you just draw the line. Okay, and composition is combining the melody writing and then the harmony that we learned from the last class to create one, like a piece of music. Like you can see Bach or Mozart, or yeah, they created those pieces and those those music, and that's a composition. That's a composition. It's just like, yeah, you are writing an article or something like a report or paper, reflection paper, or anything like that. So that's composition too. Okay, writing music and writing reports or writing, like that one. Those are all compositions. Okay, regarding this session, everybody only need to know there is an idea about non-chord tone. Non-chord tone. Okay. Waiting for, okay. Cool. So non-chord tone including two things. Okay. So that means that specific note is not in one chord. It's not belongs to that chord. Okay. This one is very hard to understand, but I think at rudimentary level, we're gonna go through very easy ones. For example, like if the chord is do mi sol, it's like C major, right? I'm gonna draw this one here. Okay, that's the stuff. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then for example, this one's C major. So the chords should be like this: C major, C, E, and G. Okay, that's C major's chord, right? If there is something like a sharp F in here, like a sharp F, like sharp F in here. So that one is not belongs to this chord. So that one is called non-chord tone. Okay, non-chord tone can be included into, can be split into two things. One is called passing tone and one is called a neighbor tone. So for example, there is a melody in here. Let's take this one as an example, okay? So if there is, let's see, E, and then sharp F, and then G. So those two are the chord. Okay, and this one is not the chord tone. And if you line them up together, see, if you line them up together, so it's shaped like this, right? So it's shaped like this. So that's a passing tone because you passed it, you passed the tone. Okay. Another one, for example, if it's a G sharp F or sharp F, yeah, and G, so it's shaped like this. So that means it's like this, but the other direction, right? This can be like this or it can be like this. Okay, that's a neighbor tone. Okay, that's different definitions of that, but those things, the F, those two sharp Fs should be considered as non-chord tone. Well, because this one is C major, okay? You have to think it very carefully because this one is not belong to any of this one. So it's not do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But if, for example, like C sharp, we're not gonna go that far. So as you know that this one is not in the chord or in the scales of this chord or in the basic chord of this one. So it's a non-chord tone. So everybody should know this one. Okay. And next one is pretty straightforward. So parallel period. Okay, I always ask you to which one is question and which one is the answer. So that one is pretty much in the preparatory level, and you can see that one because the ending always back to the home tone, which is the tonic, or you can see it's tonic. Okay, that's the answer. The rest of them can be considered as questions. Okay, questions. It can be either in the dominant or subdominant or leading tone. Yeah, whatever. Any of them in here, as long as they are not it's not the home tone. So what is a home tone? I'm going to do that again. Okay, what is a home tone? Home tone is, for example, C major. C major's home tone is C. That's it. That's a home tone. It's do. Okay. Then D major is D. Okay. Any of them. F major is F. So that's the home. That's the home. Or tonic. Okay, as long as the consequence or the answer, the last note is the home tone. The last note of this everything. Let me take a look at it. If you can just give me an example of that. No. Yeah. Okay. So for example, this one is a C major. So last note end to the C. So this sentence, this one is called answer or consequence. Okay, answer. This one's called answer. So basically, that's everything we have learned. And melody writing and composition is kind of like a very, very broad way of understanding music. It's very, you need to just composite one piece of music by yourself, and think about it. How could you write down the melody, and how could you combining the the harmony or the chorus patterns into this melody writing? It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna show you some like softwares or like apps later regarding how could you possibly compose yourself some pieces. Okay, only for the intermediate and advanced level student later. Okay, now we're gonna start to review everything that we have learned. So page and notation, that was the first class, is regarding the how high or how low this note is. So that's pitch. And second one was key and scales. And all you need to know is those three things for the rudimentary level. Okay. Only those three things. If the key signature, you can see the key signature in here, there's nothing there. So basically you can say that one is a C major, okay? And there is a flat in here, then it's F major. And if it's sharp, it's G. And the third class was rhythm. That's what we're gonna do later to do some, yeah, basically rhythm, like ear training, okay, ear training class. That's the first three classes. And of course, there are some ideas that are not included into the 1, 2, 3 sessions, which is, let me quickly find it. Is this one? No. Oh, okay. Some very basic ideas, okay? Like what is this note? What is this one mean? Is there starting here? Okay, or what does this mean and what does this mean? Just such questions like this. So this one is staccato, and this one is detached. Okay, staccato in here. Okay, that one is repeat, so it's here. This one piano is soft here, and it's getting louder. And this one is called crescendo. And the last one is called mezzo forte. It's moderately loud. That means it's not too loud. Okay, but it's, yeah, but it's kind of like a little bit loud. Okay, that's some very basic ideas, and that's it. I remember that we had one thing. Okay, sure. That's it. So music notes and terms. So every time I ask you some questions, especially the rudimentary level students. So there are several things. There are several things in the stuff. Stuff is like this. Okay, this one is called stuff. Okay. There are several things, some informations in here. So what is this one called? And what is this one called? What is this one called? And what is this one called? And what is this one called? Okay. Today, today we had some questions regarding the rehearsals of the next week's concert. So there is a very basic idea that the tempo, this one is tempo, okay? Tempo. I'm gonna write it down. Tempo. Okay, and this one is time signature, or this one regarding something called rhythm. They are different ideas. Tempo and rhythm, they're different ideas. Don't mix them up. So when you demonstrate one piece, when you play one piece, for example, this one, the tempo should not be on the way of you working out of the rhythm. So this one is 2 beats. No matter how fast or how slow you play in this piece, this one's still 2 beats. You can be like this. You can count the beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just tap your lap or just clap your back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first one was very fast and second one was very slow. But no matter what, this one still 2 beats. Okay, if it's fast, it's like this. 1, 2, bum, 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 like this. Okay, still 1, 2. You need to count 1, 2 of this one. If it's slower, it's like this. Okay, 1, 2, bum, 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 bum. Okay, this one is 2 beats. Okay, that's a rhythm. How could you combine them together and play them together? Some notes are counting longer, sometimes some notes shorter, sometimes some notes are very short, extremely short, or very long, very long. So those ones got different size of them or the time of your playing them. So that's called rhythm. Tempo and the rhythm are totally different ideas. Do not let the tempo bother your rhythm. So if you have metronome at home, I'm gonna suggest to you is probably use a very slow tempo for your practice. And then when you perform in front of somebody else or come here to my to playing in here, so you'd better be close to the tempo that required in here. Okay, so it's very important that you have a metronome at home, no matter it's acoustic or a digital one. You can download that from your phone or just buy acoustic one. The one that in my place is acoustic one. Okay. Note. That's a whole note, that's a half note, and then quarter, a 32nd, and then dotted half. Okay, they are different. Okay, you have to recognize them. And some of you played the pieces, especially the ones between sentences, are very short. For example, they give you a half note in there. For example, in here, right? You have to play the full time of it. 1 and 2. Do not get too short or too sharp. Okay, that's what I wanna say something. Okay, and the claps, of course, that's a G clef or treble clef, bass clef. You know those two, and the rest of them are different. Can be demonstrated with different instruments. Okay. And another thing is, I'm gonna write down here. Those 4, those 3, okay, we just ignore this one. So those 3 things can be easily mixed up. Tempo, rhythm, and then dynamics. Sometimes you play very soft piece with very slow tempo, or sometimes for example, there's a big 40 here and you play very fast. No, so we have to maintain the same tempo all the time. So that's very important to use the metronome, and then with the beats giving you there, and you can easily demonstrate everything with the dynamics in here. For example, this one is very, very soft, and then you can play slower and then demonstrate with a soft one. This one 40, you can play the same slow speed and then play the F40 strong of those notes. Right? Those are the first 3 chapters of the RCM, of the theory. And intervals. is a distance, for example, is the distance between two nodes. That's interval. It including two things, quality and size. For example, this one is C and D. So the size is second. Okay, 1 and 2. Because they're the distance between them, the size is 2. And then this one is minor. Sorry, this one is a flat, means the gap is shorter, smaller. That's minor. So the answer of this question is minor second. And transposition is very important. So don't think everything to start from C, because you have this idea of middle C is a very middle thing in the keyboard, and then that was the first thing we have studied. But I don't want you to just think the C as C major as the solution of everything. Okay, you can change them to different keys, or you can just change them to different pitches directly, immediately. Okay, and chords and harmony. Chords like this one, three notes in here. There's a triad chords. If the 4 could be a 7th and then 5 is 9th, you're gonna study that in the future, so don't worry about that. So this one is a typical C major triad chord. Okay, this one is triad chord. Start from C and it is like just like this, right? Okay, line, line, line. Or there's D, probably we do this. Okay. That's a D. So always shape like this. It's either line on line or space, space, space. It's always like this. Okay, that's the chords. Chords also have the quality here. So you can recognize them either it's a major chord or minor chord. Okay. So we have concluded everything of the theory. So we're gonna go directly to the sight reading today. The ear training today. Okay, ear training today. Okay, let me just quickly check if anything I missed out. Okay, regarding the RCM examinations, I'm assuming that all of you are gonna take them sooner or later. So I'm not gonna go into the details of that. Once you take one level exam, and you will know. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna stop sharing this one, and let's go directly to the site to the ear training. So make sure that you have already have your chat box there, so you can just write down your answers directly to the chat box and direct message to me. Okay, let's get started. Okay, any question, Oscar? Oh, sorry, that's the wrong thing. Okay, let's do something a little bit harder today. Okay, intervals. Intervals. Okay, listen to this scale. I'm gonna play this one later, and you give me a thumb up if you can hear this one clearly. Okay, if you can hear this one clearly. Okay, listen to this scale and then intervals built on this tonic note that follows. You will hear the interval like ascending, then descending. It's going up and going down. Okay, once. And identify this interval as either a major third or minor third. Okay, let's just think about it. What is the sound of a major and what is sound of a minor? Okay, the major sound is very bright. And the minor is very dark. Okay, so listen to this one carefully and you think about it if it's a very bright sound or a very dark sound, okay? It's very bright or very dark. Okay, let's listen to it and give me a thumb up if you can hear this one clearly, okay? Okay, now type your answer here. Okay. It is major or minor. Okay, just answer is major or minor. Let's see. I'm gonna play that one again. Very good. It's a major. And that's the answer. Start from G. Okay? So the first scale is based on G, and then that's the tonic. Very good. Let's keep going. Still same thing, and identify this one is either a major third or minor third. Okay? Let's try this one. Okay. I think this one is pretty straightforward. Everybody can hear this one very clearly. This one is just tested if you can hear what is the scale of this one. Okay, or just give me the first note. What is the first note? What is the first note? Or what is the key of this one? Just give me this letter. Is A or B or C or D or E, F, G? Okay, which one is that? Okay, listen to that again and answer this one to me. Okay, this one is my question. So I know this one is a major third, of course, and then I'm gonna let you write down this one, or we can just do that together. Okay, what is the scale of the first note? So what is the name of the first note? Sorry. Okay, I can hear it's like this. C, E, and C. Okay, perfect. C and E and C. Sorry, this one could be a little bit up in here. Okay, that one used to be the line in there. Okay, perfect. Let's keep going. This one, we're gonna do this one very quickly, okay? Just answer this question to me. I know it's very easy to recognize this one. Just tell me which notes are there. Okay, first of all, type is minor or major, and then tell me which three notes are there. It's bright or dark. Now we're gonna write it down. First one is G, and then B, and then back to the G. So this one is ascending, and this one is ascending and descending, both sides going up or going down. Okay? What is that? It's major or minor? G, B, G. Of course. Of course, it's a major third. Okay? It sounds very bright and very, yeah. Right? G, B, G. Okay? You want to listen to that again? Okay. Fantastic. Okay, that is, we're gonna down the intervals. Okay, let's back to the, okay. Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's the intervals, okay? That's intervals. Okay, we're gonna do some, just one or two rhythm, and then we'll go directly to the chorus today. Oh, there's already there, so we're gonna do that. Okay, perfect. So listen to this melody, and you will hear melody twice. Okay, what time signature is gonna be here? Okay, what is the time signature of this melody? Okay, listen very carefully and type your answer. Okay, answer here. Q or T? Q is quadruple and T is triple. Okay, think about it, and before you type the answer here, I'm gonna give you another time. Just give another try here, and then let's just figure it out together. Okay, our assignment today, what we're gonna do is to figure out the melody here with rhythm and with the bar lines all together. Okay, and then we're gonna write down here. Okay, now first of all, we need to count how many notes are there. Okay, now this time the first step is to count How many nodes are there? Just count it, okay? Let's count from the beginning and then write your answer in here, okay? Let's start from beginning. Okay, how many? You want to listen to that again? Okay, sure. Okay, how many? So at least we have nine nodes here, okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how could we arrange this node? How could we possibly write it down? Because once you write it down and you will know directly what rhythm is this one, okay? What is a meter? What is a time signature here? It's a 4/3 or 4/4, okay? So, okay, so it's not important it's quadruple or triple now. Okay, it's not important now. We're gonna write down this melody together. Let's listen to that again, okay? Okay. Oh, sorry. I cannot do this. Okay. Okay, I can hear. So at least the first one and the last one, they are the same. Okay? They are the same. They are G. Right? Second one is what? Is also G. And there is a dot in here. Okay. This one could be a little bit hard, but okay, the next one would be a very short A next to G. Okay? And then what? Okay, answer those questions to me. And let's keep starting from beginning to the end again. Okay, so what is the next one? Yeah, you can type your answer in the chat box. I can hear 4 notes connect with each other. 4, 8 notes connect with each other very fast, right? Bum, 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna play that one again, and then tell me if this makes sense. Okay, how many do we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 notes in total. Okay, let's listen to that again. Just tell me if that is okay. Sorry, I made a mistake in here. So that's why this should not got a dot in here. Okay, so where is the bar line? Where is the bar line? It's like I'm gonna clap back this one and listen to that again, okay? So where's the bar line? Okay, now we're gonna draw the bar line. We're gonna draw the bar line here, okay? So one node, and then this one's 1.5 plus a 0.5. We count this one as 2 bits, okay? Those ones are, I'm gonna write it down here. Those ones are the, okay, those ones like a half node, okay? Just equal to half node, okay? 1 and 2, 3, and then 4. And then we can draw a line in here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So what is triple or quadruple here? So it's very easy to recognize, right? It's quadruple. 4, 4. So this is this one. I'm gonna let you listen to this again. Oh, sorry. It's a triple. Yeah. This one is 3 bits in here, so oh, it's my fault. I was right, and then I changed that to the 3. Sorry. This one should be a dot in here. Yeah, then that's right. Bar lines in here. Okay, this one is in right in here. Oh, okay, that makes more sense actually. Okay, so the first one is G, and then the last one is G. So sometimes I may make a mistake too. The last one is 3 nodes. It's very easy to be recognized. And then the first one, we got a dotted nodes. It's not very easy to recognize. So just listen to the last one. So that tricked me a little bit in here. Okay. So 9 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 nodes in total. So the final answer, I was wrong. Okay, it's 3. Yeah, I made a mistake too. Okay, those are the nodes. And then the nodes are correct. And yeah, only the bar line in here. Okay, I made a mistake in here. Okay, so this one cannot be split into half. So that's why. Sounds good? Okay, we're gonna listen to this one again and look at the mistake that I made in here and think about it. How could we possibly recognize them? Because they are gonna be the same. Even, oh, sorry, did I move that? Okay. Even when you are in the level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, you're gonna meet exactly the similar ear training issues. Okay, listen to that carefully, and we're gonna use this one as an example. Okay, let's find a okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything, and this one will be uploaded to the website. So take a look at it, take a look at the mistake that I made, and probably you're gonna make the similar issue, similar mistake again, and just think about it, and then take a screenshot and just memorize it. Okay, now we're gonna listen to the articulation. Articulation is basically the lines, the slurs, or some of the dynamics right in here. Okay, right there. Okay, dynamics. Okay, let's listen to that again. Where is the staccato? Where is the legato? And which part is strong and which part is soft? Okay, I can hear a staccato in here. Oh, sorry, I can hear the staccato in here. And there must be a line in here. And this one could be a staccato or no. And this one is a clear slur in here. And then after that, it's going to be a dotted nose. This one is dot, and this one is dot, and this one is dot, and then this one's long note. Okay, let's listen to this one again to think about it, the articulation. Okay, those small things, normally we call two notes connecting together is a motive, okay? And if there is a long sentence, for example, the line from top to the end, there is called a phrase or sentence, okay? That's articulation. Well, think about how could you articulate those pieces, especially the concert piece and then your concert pieces and then the exam pieces. Okay, that's down. That's how we solve this problem, by just listen to this piece. Okay, that combining the time signature, the rhythm, and articulation and the key. So we have a lot of information in here. Okay, we have everything included in this piece. So this one is very good. And take a look at the video when you back home, or when you are free, because this one is very, very important. Okay, and it's very nice that I made a mistake in here, and you can just learn from the mistake that I made. Cool. Okay, let's do a very quick level 3 ear training here. And this time we're gonna do the melody part. Okay, let's do the melody part this time. Recording, we're not gonna do the recording. Okay, listen to this melody and you will hear the tonic triads, which are those ones. Twice, once or twice, once, okay. And then the melody twice, and choose A or B, okay? Which one can you hear? Okay, which A or B? Okay, let's listen to it quickly. Okay, your answer. Okay, which part is different? Let's just circle the part that are different. Okay, only this part. So when you are listening, the third note should be the same with should be the same with the second note, or different. Okay, listen to that carefully because we can see some incorrect answers here. Okay, let's listen to that again and answer this question. So those two are exactly the same. So it's from here, down, same, up, or down, up, up. Okay, listen to that very carefully. Okay, I can see some very, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's okay because sometimes I make a mistake too. Okay, let's listen to that again. Down, same, up, up, up. Okay. So the correct answer is B. Fantastic. Let's do a quick one. This one, okay, listen to this one, and then we're gonna move to the next level. Okay, which one is that? Answer this question, everybody. So the different part is if this one's going down or going down up. Okay, let's listen to that again. Okay, type your answer here. It's very easy now, right? Okay, I can see everybody got their answers here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, the correct answer is A. Okay, that's everything about melody. Let's move directly to the level 4. This one, okay, so from now on, the rudimentary level students, you can choose to stay here to listen to the rest of them, or you can, if you want to go, you can go. Okay, let's do the chords. Okay, this one is ask you to play this one, and okay, let's just listen to it. Okay, play the triad below in solid and blocked forms on your piano, and consider if it's a major or minor. You can listen to it later, and then type the answer in here. And then the audio example of this same triad is broken form. Okay, broken form, and the single note that follows. Okay, now we're gonna identify the single note as either which one is that? Okay, root or third or fifth. So which one is root? I'm gonna mark this one. This one's root. Okay, this one is okay, this one is root, and this one is third, and this one top one is fifth. Okay, let's listen to that, to this one. Okay. Okay, so first answer to this question is minor or major. It's very easy to be recognized. Listen to this sound. If it's yeah, is it dark or bright? Okay, it's dark, eh? Right? So it's minor. Okay, and then it's root or third or fifth. Okay, apparently this one's the top one. Bum bum bum. That's, and this one is the highest, so this one is fifth. Okay. Next page, we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna move to the next level. Okay, listen to this broken triad, and then the single note that follows, you will hear this one only once. Okay, identify this single as either which one is that. Okay, let's listen to the broken triad, and first of all, tell me this major or minor. Okay, major or minor? Okay, major or minor? Okay, fantastic. Listen to this one. Is root or third or fifth? Okay, it's the bottom one. So that's a root, right? So the correct answer is major chord, and then the note is root. Okay, A, sharp C, and E back to the A. Okay, that's level 4. Let's keep going. Level 5. Level 5, we have a very new idea in here, which is chord progressions in here. So basically, after you play all the broken chords, and you will be ending with 1-4-1 or 1-5-1. Okay, let's listen to this chord progressions, and then identify this one is either 1-4-1 or 1-5-1. Okay. Okay, answer this question. If you cannot hear this one clearly, listen to the bottom one. Listen to the bottom one. The bottom one is rocking from here to here. That's the bottom one, but just one octave lower, okay? One octave lower, but it's C, G, C, okay? C, G, C. So basically, you know what it is, right? Okay, so it's 1-5-1. That's C to G is 5, okay? C to G is 5. So it's 1-5-1. This one is with flat. Oh, sorry. This one is flat. Yes, it's still 1-5-1, but I just mixed up with the C major. I just put them in the C major, but it's not C major. Okay, still 1-5-1. It's just like do so do, but this one is flat E, flat B, flat E. They are same intervals. 1-5-1. Listen to the bottom, is very important. Let's try if there is a fourth. You can listen to it first. Let's listen to this one, if there's fourth. This one same, like one. Okay, listen. Yeah, we're gonna find some fours. Okay. Now listen to it. This one. Okay, the bottom. Listen to the bottom. Listen to the root. Okay, listen to the bottom one. Okay, very carefully. Okay. This one is 1-4-1. Okay, 1-4-1. That's the difference of the sound. Okay, that's the difference of the sound. And that's it. Let's keep going to the next level. Level 6. Okay, let's see what it was new in here. Basically the same thing, and probably there's more in the chord. Let's take a look at it. Oh, the quality of this chord. Okay, so this one we got new ideas, new informations of diminished sevenths and dominant sevenths. Okay. Diminished sevenths and dominant sevenths are very hard to be recognized So let's listen to it. Which one is that? Minor or major or diminished sevenths or dominant sevenths? Okay, let's listen to it. Okay, so is sevenths or major or minor? How many notes in there? Listen to that again. So listen to how many notes are there, okay? It's definitely not 3 notes. Listen to it. It's 4 notes there. Okay, so what is the sound different between diminished sevenths and dominant sevenths? Okay, you cannot hear it clearly. Okay, that's okay. I'm going to play that again, okay? Okay, so what is this? Definitely 4 notes. So is that diminished or dominant? That's the most important thing, okay? Yes, we got the correct answer here. So 4 notes, and you need to recognize what is this one. If this one is major, or the most easiest thing is those two. If those are major third, so the whole 4 notes is dominant seventh. Let's listen to some diminished seventh chords. You can have this better understanding of this one. This one's not. Let's find a diminished one. Okay, let's find it out. What is this? Is diminished or dominant? Of course, diminished, because the first 3 one is minor, and then you don't need to consider it because it's the 4 notes, the typical 4 notes chorus. Okay, it's diminished sevenths. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's dominant sevenths. Okay, I made a lot of mistakes here today. All right, it's sharp. There is a sharp in there. Okay, that makes sense. Right, this one's more open, so it's dominant sevenths. Okay. Let's listen to this one. No, this one's not. Okay, we're gonna find a diminished sevenths. Let's just go directly to see this one diminished seventh and listen to it. Okay, it's more, yeah, it's more like connecting each other. Let's just go back to the dominant sevenths, listen to them. Is this one dominant sevenths? No. This one dominant sevenths? No. Oh, this one dominant sevenths, okay. This one dominant sevenths, right? Okay. Listen to this, the one that we, okay, this one dominant sevenths. Okay, and let's go back to the diminished sevenths one and listen to it again. We have more tension in here, okay? Fantastic. Let's keep going to the level 8, and I think we're gonna start to end to the level 8. Let's go to the level 8 directly. Intervals. There could be augmented fourths and fifths. Let's listen to it. Okay, we have all the major and minor. We got a perfect fourth. We got an augmented fourth, and we got a perfect octave. Okay, that's how you write down octave. 8, VE. That's octave. Okay, let's listen to this one, and which one can you choose? Okay, let's listen to that. Okay. Okay, if that sounds very good or bad, first of all, so we can recognize if it's perfect or non-perfect. Okay, it sounds very nice or not very nice. Okay, so answer this question if you want to. Which one is that? We can see perfect and we can see correct answer here. Okay, I'll give you some time to think about it and then listen to that again. Is that perfect? That's a perfect. Sounds very good. So it's perfect fourth or fifth? Okay, I think it's a little bit far away from each other, and it's perfect fifth. Okay, it's definitely perfect fifth. So perfect fourth is a little bit close to each other, but still sounds very nice. Okay. If you can see this one in here, if you wanna, it's easier if you see two exactly the same flats in here, just remove them. Okay, and then the rest of them are exactly the same intervals, the same qualities, everything the same. Okay, if you see too sharp or too flats, and just remove them in the exam. That's level 8, and let's to go to the next page and listen to this one again. Okay. Okay, which one is that? So that sounds not perfect, right? Sound not perfect. Okay, perfect. We got the correct answer here. Very good. So it's this one is descending, okay? It's going down. It's going down. Okay, let's listen to that again. Why is this one minor third? Okay, first of all, we have already removed the perfect, right? Because they are definitely not perfect. Okay, and then we listen to this one, sounds very dark. The color of this sound is in this interval is very dark, so it's definitely minor. And then if you think about it, if you can think anything, like if it's a E or sharp C, well, you can just think of that because just they have the same exactly same quality in here. And then think about the intervals that's similar with that, and then you can find the answer here. Okay. This sounds pretty hard because there's a flat in here, but it definitely minor third. Okay, that's how you recognize this one. Let's find if there is augmented fourth or diminished fifth in here. Okay, because let's listen to this one. No, this one is not. This one is major third, and let's keep going to the next one. This one is 6. Let's keep going. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's not diminished. So it sounds extremely not good. sounds extremely not good, very, very bad. So it's the worst scenario you can find in here, okay? Let's listen to that again. It's seventh for sure, but it's minor seventh or major seventh. Listen to that again. Its opener is just a little bit more like a big distance or short distance. It's major or minor. Okay, it's major. But as long as you can you can find out and figure it out it's sevenths, that's enough, okay? Because this one's pretty hard. Okay, let's listen to this one, last one. Okay, that's why it's not a very typical one. Let's keep going. Same thing. Okay, I don't think we can find any augmented fourth in here. Listen to the piano. If you play C and F and play C and sharp F, that's augmented fourth. And you can go back to your keyboard and play this one. Sounds good? So that's basically everything about the from level 1 through level 8. That's all you need to know. Okay? But in the future, there will be level 9 and level 10. But now we only have limited timing here. So probably we're gonna find some time to do level 9. You can see that one is pretty hard, especially the chord progression is including 1-4-5-1 or 1-5-4-1. Or minor 1641 or 1645. So there's so many patterns in there, not included in your technical requirements practice. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop recording.